Hello beauties, as in beauty content creator, I wear makeup very often. And रोज रोज मेकअप करने के इफेक्ट तो आपको पता ही है. It's make my skin very dull and damaged. So whenever you really tired on end of the shoot, spend lots of time to remove it.
So the Foxtale
Send me and told me it's remove all your makeup just and wash. And I just don't believe that एक gentle cleanser से सारे मेकअप छूमंतर हो जाएंगे. But when I use the daily Duet gentle cleanser, I was very wrong.
हैवी मेकअप बिना मेकअप रिमूवर के जा ही नहीं सकता, ऐसा मैंने सोचा. But I was completely wrong. But this face wash can remove all the makeup just a minute without drying my skin. I also love the Foxtale Ceramide Super Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. It's great for locking in moisturizer, especially अगर आप dry climates पे रह रहे हो तो. So go and try it once for naturally glowing and hydrating skin.